Hey there, ringtone enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to share with you, a step-by-step guide on how to search for your favorite name and music ringtones on fdmr.icu. First things first, for example, we are on the home page, but look up at the header section. Right there, you'll find a handy search bar that's your gateway to a world of personalized ringtones. Now, let's try to find a name ringtone. For example, let's go with Kapil. Just type it in and hit enter. Voila! Our search result page appears, loading all the Kapil-related ringtones. Scroll down until you spot the Name Ringtones heading. Click on View More Name Ringtones and bam! A list of names unfolds before you. Simply find desired name like Kapil. Click on it, and there you have it, Kapil's name ringtone page. Now, let's switch gears and find a music ringtone using the same straightforward method. Head back to the top section of the web page. This time, type in a soundtrack title or music artist name. Let's try Arijit Singh. Hit enter, and once again, our search result page pops up, this time showcasing the Song Ringtones section. Click on View More Songs below, and behold, a plethora of Arijit Singh's magical tunes. Play around, find your favorite, and easily download it. It's that simple. And there you have it, folks, a quick and easy guide to searching for name and music ringtones on fdmr.icu. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content.